Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your handbrake in your Toyota Yaris. My handbrake doesn't work at all, as you can see. I do this and the car will still move. It doesn't, at the very end it grabs, so we're going to try and adjust that. I don't have a key or a wrench that I need, but I'm going to use vice grips instead. So there's one bolt here that holds the whole thing down. It's a 10 mil. So I'll take that out. It's where the cup holder goes. Yeah, once we get that out, we can rip it off. There, we got it out. Take the boot off. Put that in the back. Don't need it. And it's very dirty underneath here. But you know, it's okay. What we're going to be adjusting is this right here. I'm going to loosen it, and then there's a nut right here that we try to adjust with. Okay, let's see. Is that 10 mil? It is 10 mil. Okay. Okay. To get something to grab this, because if not, it's too. So we got something to grab it so it won't turn. Now, let's. And it doesn't seem to want to turn. Yeah, it is 10. I could be using a small ratchet, but unfortunately, I don't have long sockets like that. It's not. I didn't grab this tight enough, so. Okay, that should be tight enough. And no, it's not. So tight, bro. Holy, is this tight. That just slips. I'm gonna frick it up. Alright, one last chance. If not, I don't think this is gonna be an accomplishable task. Let's get this a bit tighter. It's a bit too tight. Oh, man. Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna get it tighter than that, so. Yeah, I can't go straight. No, I don't think that's going. Nope. It's too tight. Tighten that like that. Dang, that sucks. So we got it undone. What I did was I took it off back here. These are the two cables that connect to the handbrake thing. And I just took that off so it gives me more space. And once I got the vice grip on it, ow, she was a done story. So now we adjust it by putting it like this some more. And we'll connect the handbrake cables and we'll see how she will. Oh, she will, baby. This puppy will stop. Okay. Oh, you feel some grip. Feel some handbrake grip. Let's get that more down there. I want the best handbrake in the universe of handbrakes. Okay, so put that back in there. Oh, that's the wrong side. Get that in there. Get that in there. Come on, you guys. You guys, be nice. Be kind. Be ultra strong. Here we go. Now, moment of truth. The car goes nowhere. I just want to let you guys know I've had this car for 2 years, and the whole 2 years I've never had a handbrake, and that literally fixed my handbrake. I actually have a good handbrake, and I actually could adjust it a bit more though, because it's supposed to be like supposed to start engaging after the first 3 clicks. So let's see. All right, perfect. Oh. But anyways, well, I'll get back to you when everything's put back together, and yeah, this definitely fixed my handbrake. All right, so I fixed my handbrake. As you can see, 2 clicks and then it starts engaging, and I'm not in a gear, and we're on an incline, a decline, and my car's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. So this is how you fix your handbrake in a Toyota Yaris. And thanks for watching. Like the video. If you came to this point and you don't like the video, you are absolutely a loser. You better like the video. All right.